Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today, instead of swiping with the usual black or white, I'm going to be experimenting, swiping with phthalo blue. So I'm very curious to see how it turns out. All my paint colors, ratios and supplies will be listed in the description box, so you can find all those details there. Each of these paints is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus 1 drop of silicone. I'm just tilting the canvas a bit to spread the paint around to help cover some of the open spaces. Now I'm laying down the phthalo blue, which I'm going to be swiping with. The blue is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. It's a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone. In last week's painting, I did a few extra swipes with my palette knife, which I quite liked, so I'm going to do that again today to help bring out a bit more of the phthalo blue into the painting. Thank you very much for joining me. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.